running for my life from these guys, space pirates. Let me explain. This dump has acted as a magnet for thieves and criminals for longer than I can even remember. Convicted humans and aliens are sent here by the GTC to pay their debt to society. After my mother died, I wasn't in the best place. So now, I'm taking a trip there myself.
Hello, I'm Hal, and I'll be here to expedite your processing. Your scheduled community service is 42 Earth days. Everything you need is contained in your bag right there. Upon completion of your service, a GTC transport shuttle will be dispatched to extract you. Good luck. And remember, the universe is counting on you.
I wasn't in the best place. I did what I had to survive. And just like that, I became a servant of the Galactic Trade Commission.
That's it. That's the last one. Of course I'm sure that's the last sensor. Wait a minute. You know anything about this? Alright, better get back.
Bring her to me.
What took you so long? What message? I don't have time.
Allison James, I know all about you. You're originally from Earth, the state of Idaho, pre-Galactica. Listen, time is of the essence, so I'll be brief. I'm here to save your life. I need you to follow these instructions.
Oh, wait a minute. I just got shot in the neck. Who the hell are you?
Name's Logan. I'm a friend. The creeps who did this are coming back from their scout now. Go to Earth. There's something you're going to want to see there.
Who sent you?
You did.
Well, how am I supposed to get to Earth?
With this. Get to the ship! Here's the deal. You're in and out undetected. Just take care of what you need to, get out of there. You'll be safe after that. Make it count. Any questions?
Yeah, what is it that I need to take care of?
I can't say for sure it hasn't happened yet. All I can tell you is that it's different every time. You just gotta trust it.
It? See, that part, what do you mean it?
When you get back, we'll talk. It'll all make sense then. You get to B sector, you teleport in. Do not fly the ship into the Earth's atmosphere. Just stick with the plan. Don't wear that. Dress like an Earth person.
So what's the hard part?
You're gonna want to stay. Stick to the plan.